Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to crossbreed in the cookie clicker garden of farms. What you're going to want to do first is get to 1 billion cookies, which you see I've already done here. Then you unlock sugar lumps, which you can use in order to unlock the garden. You can basically just level up the garden because you start with 1. And then what you're going to want to do is to click View Garden, and you've got this and you've got this. But normally you'd start with 2x2. If you upgrade it more, you can get 2x3, 3x3, 3x4, 4x4, 4x5, 5x5, 5x6, and 6x6. Anyway, if you leave your garden to just grow on its own, you see this little crop here. It's called a meadowweed. It is the first type of fungus it is a weed that appears in neglected farmland. You may want to uproot it early, otherwise it will drop spores and start taking over your garden, which you may not want, but it can unlock you plenty of new species though. Anyway, you start with the baker's wheat seed. Now, if you want to get right to it, start planting the seeds. So basically, first you're going to have to click this and then plant it, and then click on the tile you want to plant it in, and you'll plant it. You're going to want to do a pattern like this. Here's when things start going onto the waiting. You'll start with dirt, which gives you a tick every 5 minutes. But you're going to want to get 50 farms to unlock fertilizer, which gives a tick every 3 minutes. Passive plant effects minus 25 and weeds appear 20% more. But this will actually be a benefit. So when you get later into the game, you can unlock clay, pebbles, and wood chips. Now, if you have enough sugar lumps, you can click this right here, and it will skip a tick. But a downside is that it can be done once every 15 minutes. Maybe you won't be able to speed through it so fast. Anyway, it's time to play the waiting game. I'll cut this bit off so you guys don't have to wait so much. Now you'll see that our crops have started to grow. There's 4 stages to it. There is the first stage, which is a bud. Then there's sprouting stage, which is what all these are at right now. Then there's bloom and mature. We're going to have to wait for mature to come. But I'll cut it off again so you guys don't have to wait. Now you'll see that our plants are now in the stage of blooming. There's just only one more tick for each of these plants before they finally grow into adults. This will take another 2 minutes, but I'm gonna cut it off again. Sorry for all this cutting, but anyway. Well, let's get to it. You'll see that all our plants are adults, and we're lucky now because a new type of seed is growing. It's called a funcorn. Now there's other likeliness to this. there's another seed that can grow from this. It's called the bakeberry, and that can turn into a queen beet and so on. Also, there are many combinations of the seeds you can do, and so far you'll see that I've unlocked 8. Now some of these aren't so common and are more expensive than others. Also, a new plant may appear in either of the marked spots. It could be the same as its parents or a mutant species, it says. Then there's Harvest All, which instantly harvests all plants in your garden. Also, the hotkeys for it is Shift plus Control plus Click to harvest only mature mortal plants. Then there's Freeze, which cryogenically preserves your garden for no matter any time you want. Plants no longer grow, spread, or die. They provide no more benefits. Soil cannot be changed. Using this will effectively pause your garden, it says. Also, there's a tool I haven't unlocked yet, which you will unlock when you get all the seeds. Sacrifices everything in your garden and sends you back to square one in the garden minigame, where you'll be able to regain all your stuff. Anyway, now there's been another tick where more funcorn seeds are growing here, and a few baker's wheat seeds too. Now here's the expensive for the soils. There's dirt, which you unlock as a beginner dirt. Fertilizer you unlock at 50 farms. It's quite expensive too. Clay unlocks at 100. Pebbles unlocks at 200. And wood chips unlocks at 300. That about covers this walkthrough on the mini game of the garden in farms on Cookie Clicker. I hope you have learnt some stuff and now know how to crossbreed seeds and make variety in your species of seeds in the garden. I hope this was quite informative, so please give this video a like and make sure to subscribe and share this video on whatever platform you know of. And see you in the next video. Bye!